everyone, it's Christina Hitchcock with Old National Investments. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Here is the quote of the week. Tomorrow is often the busiest day of the week. Time is your friend. I will be talking about the potential of compounding and early steady investing. Time may be the greatest asset for the young investor. While some people may frantically try to catch up on retirement savings after age 50, you have the chance to harness the power of compounding by starting decades earlier. When you start may matter more than how or how long you invest. Take the hypothetical example of a 25-year-old Heather who directs $10,000 a year into a retirement account earning 6.5% annually for 10 years. At age 35, she quits investing entirely. Heather would still amass $950,588 by age 65 with no further effort. If she keeps investing until age 65, that lump sum swells to more than $1.9 million. In contrast, a 35-year-old who invests for 30 straight years at the same annual contribution level would yield $919,892, not even as much as Heather, who quit after a decade. Here's another hypothetical example, using smaller financial increments. Say a 25-year-old begins saving and investing $350 a month in a tax-deferred retirement account, about $75 a week. She increases that initial monthly contribution amount by just 2.5% each year, while the account returns 7% annually. At age 67, she will have $1.4 million in savings. If she waits until 35 to start, she will only have about $654,000 under the same conditions. I hope you have found this information useful. As always, feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I would love to talk with you about your financial goals. Until next time, thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.